The American Yawp, Chapter 19. In the decades after the American Civil War, the United States exerted itself in the service of American interests around the world. In the Pacific, Latin America, and in the Middle East, and most explicitly in the Spanish-American War, and under the foreign policy of Teddy Roosevelt and William Howard Taft, the U.S. expanded on a long history of exploration, trade, and cultural exchange to practice something that looked remarkably like empire. Direct American interventions in places such as Cuba, the Philippines, Hawaii, Guam, Puerto Rico dominate this chapter, but also reveal to us the deeper history of American engagement with the wider world and the subsequent ways in which American economic, political, and cultural power has shaped the actions, choices, and possibilities of other groups and other nations. President Teddy Roosevelt taught us to walk softly and carry a big stick. That is, the persuasive power of the United States military could ensure U.S. hegemony over strategically important regions in the Western Hemisphere and the Greater Pacific. The United States used military intervention in various circumstances to further its objectives under Roosevelt, but it did not have the ability or the inclination to militarily impose its will on the entirety of South and Central America. The U.S. then, more often, used informal methods of empire, such as the so-called dollar or gunboat diplomacy, to assert dominance over the hemisphere. Roosevelt preached that it was our manly duty to exercise this international police power in the Caribbean and to spread the benefits of Anglo-Saxon civilization to our less civilized neighbors. Not everyone agreed, of course. Debates over American imperialism revolved around more than just politics and economics and national self-interest. They also included notions of humanitarianism, morality, religion, and the so-called white man's burden of promoting civilization wherever we went. The debate required significant participation by American women who found their political voice in this era and soon took to the streets to make the case for women's suffrage. Industrialization, imperialism, and immigration were all intractably linked in this era. Imperialism had at its core a desire for markets for American goods, and those goods were increasingly manufactured by immigrant labor. This sense of a growing dependence on others as producers and consumers, along with doubts about their capability of assimilation into the mainstream of white Protestant American society, caused a great deal of anxiety among native-born Americans, some of them themselves only second-generation immigrants. Although the growing U.S. economy needed large numbers of immigrant workers for its factories, its mills, its mines, and its railroad lines, many Americans reacted negatively to the arrival of so many immigrants. The idea of immigration restrictions, specifically Eastern European Catholics, Jews, and the Chinese on the West Coast, was common across the United States in the late 19th century, when many variously feared that the influx of foreigners would undermine the racial, economic, and moral integrity of American society. From the 1870s to the 1920s, the United States federal government passed a series of laws limiting or discontinuing the immigration of particular groups of people, and the United States remained committed to regulating the kind of immigrants that would join American society. To critics, regulations legitimized racism, class bias, and ethnic prejudice as a formal national policy. Nativists, so-called, had seized control over American borders in this era, but not before the composition of the United States had been radically reshaped by tens of millions of new immigrants, and the great American melting pot now held a rolling boil.